Acorns is a mobile app that aims to make investing easy and accessible for everyone, even if you have little to no investing experience. Here is how Acorns works. Link a bank account. You first need to link a bank account to your Acorns account. This allows Acorns to round up your purchases and automatically invest the spare change. In this spare change, Acorns will automatically round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change. For example, if you buy a cup of coffee for $2.50, Acorns will round up your purchase to $3 and invest the extra 50 cents into your Acorns investment account. Set up recurring investments. You can also set up recurring investments that allow you to invest a set amount of money on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This allows you to build your investment portfolio over time. Choose a portfolio. Acorns offers 5 different portfolios that you can choose from based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. Each portfolio consists of a mix of exchange-traded funds that invest in stocks, bonds, and real estate. Monitor your portfolio. You can monitor your portfolio's performance and see how your investments are growing over time. Acorns also offers educational content and investment advice to help you make informed investment decisions. Overall, Acorns offers a simple and automated way to invest your money and build a diversified investment portfolio over time, even if you have little investing experience.